Hello and welcome. Today I am talking all about YouTube money and how creators are making anywhere from a little bit to a lot of money here on YouTube, from the small creators to the full-time YouTubers like myself. Now this channel right here only has just shy of 10,000 subscribers, but this is my small channel. My main channel is my cooking channel and I have over 430,000 subscribers over there, and that's where the bulk of my YouTube money comes from. And so let me talk about the ways that YouTubers are still making money in 2026 and how you can too. So first up, we have the one that everybody thinks about when they talk about YouTube money, and that is ad revenue. Now, in order to qualify for the monetization program and to run ads on your channel, you still need to have 4,000 hours of watch time within 1 year across all of your videos. Also, 1,000 subscribers. And then for shorts, you need 10 million views, public views, within 90 days. Those are the two ways to get monetized on your channel. Now, I want to make sure that you know that watch time on shorts does not carry over to watch time on your long form views. But here's the truth, ad revenue is one of the smaller ways that people earn money. Even though we think about that as the most popular, there's a lot of YouTubers that make far more money in different areas. Let's move on to those different areas. Now, the big money happens with brand deals. So you can get a company that will sponsor a video and they can pay you upfront money. They can pay you in goods like maybe they'll give you a $200 air fryer if you talk about the benefits of that air fryer and share that with your subscribers and people. And also there's just a lot of companies that will pay you just to mention their name in your videos. And there are thousands and thousands of dollars out there for deals like this. So make sure to have a business email in your profile. That way people can reach out to you. I get probably 5 to 10 companies reaching out to me daily. Now, most of them are ones that I don't want to follow through with, but every once in a while I find a gem to follow through and I do my own brand deal. Pretty awesome. The most I personally ever did was I was paid $1,000 to review a ice maker machine, and then also I got the ice maker for free, and that cost $500. So the total value of that was like $1,500. So pretty good, but that's still kind of small potatoes compared to some of these huge brand deals that these other YouTubers can get. Now let's move on to the easiest one for small creators to do, and that's through affiliate marketing. It doesn't take much to sign up as an affiliate for like Amazon. That's one of the easiest ones to sign up for. And then what you can do is anytime you're talking about a product, you mention a product, whatever, you can link to that Amazon product and then you'll get a small percentage of the sale. It just depends on the product, what the percentage will be. You could also do deals directly with companies like Walmart or Target, different companies like that. They have their own affiliate programs that you can sign up with. And then when you're talking about their products, you can link to those and get a small commission. This works really well for niches like finance or tech, travel, cooking, online tools where there's an actual product that someone can buy. Like I do a lot of affiliate marketing on my cooking channel because I'm always using kitchen gadgets. The next big way that YouTubers are earning money and they still do well with is that they have their own products and services that they sell. So YouTube is just kind of a traffic engine for them to introduce their products that they have. A lot of times they're like courses, like here's my how to grow on YouTube course. Down below you'll find a link and it's only $19.99. Or what other things that they could sell is the digital products. They might have some kind of online tool that you can buy, some kind of app that you can buy. They might just have merchandise, their own merchandise that they're selling, things of that nature. Pretty awesome. Still a very, very valid and lucrative way to earn money in 2026 is through selling your own products. One thing they also might do is instead of a product, they just might be selling their coaching services, or they might be selling their editing services. Maybe they'll do, or a thumbnail services. They'll create thumbnails for you, something like that. So that's a great way to sell yourself, is services that you might offer to somebody else. And the cool thing about this is you don't need 1 million subscribers. You don't need 100,000 subscribers to do that. You can start doing that by day one. Just talk about it in your video and then make sure that there's information in the description where they can find that service or find that digital guide that you're selling, whatever it might be. Another way that YouTubers are making money is through like what they call community income. And that is through channel subscriptions. Once your channel gets to a certain level, you can turn on channel subscriptions, and think of it as Patreon. If you know what Patreon is, that's YouTube's version of Patreon. So people could sign up and subscribe that way. And then maybe it's like $3, $5, $10 a month. And then you give them extra content. Now, small channels won't really qualify for that, but once you grow to a point, you can turn that on, and then people can actually pay a monthly subscription and get more content from you. Another thing is super thanks. There's a little heart button. If people click on that super thanks, then they can donate money to you. Pretty awesome. Another way that people are making is through the live streams. There's live stream donations and things like that. There's a lot of people that make thousands of dollars a month just through people donating to their channel through live streams and through super thanks and through channel memberships. Another incredibly valuable way that YouTubers are making money today in 2026 is using YouTube as a traffic engine to move traffic from YouTube over to like a website. And on that website, might be where you sell your course. It might be where you sell your services. It might be where you are promoting your business. For me, that is where I have my written recipes. So people can go there and then they have the full written recipe that they can follow. And then on that recipe website, I have ads that people will view the ads or click on the ads. And then I make money from those ads as well. In fact, my website makes more money than my YouTube channel each month. Lastly, what really makes you money on YouTube is developing that trust with the viewers, clarity, solving real problems, and bringing your own voice to YouTube. And that trust with those viewers is going to pay you back, whether it's from just likes and comments on your videos, which pushes that video out to more people, whether it's people actually buying your products, whether it's people just clicking on ads and you get the ad revenue from that. So if people don't really trust you, they're not going to watch your videos and you're not going to be making any money. So that is one thing that we need to do as creators, just try to build that trust. Don't share false information with people and just be really authentic and do your best and make quality videos, and this money will come. So there you go. There's the top ways that YouTubers are earning money here in 2026. There are other ways that people are making money, but these are kind of the most common ways that we think about. I'm Matt Taylor. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and happy content creating, everyone.